Guys, guess what I found today? A friend from Tianjin told me he has a small Tianjin truck, all original paint, only 40,000 kilometers on it. That's insanely rare. I just had to go see it for myself. Turns out, it's been sitting quietly, some outside in the rain, some hidden away in storage, and today I get to uncover its story. All right, after we took things apart, I covered it up to protect it. Then, wow, a blue Tianjin truck. Exactly what I was hoping for. Honestly, if a beauty like this ends up in the wrong hands, it'll just get ruined sitting outside. It deserves so much better. All right, let's roll it straight into the garage. Check this out. The original Tianjin Kei, old school style. Let's try it. Wow. This is really the original ignition key. Man, stuff like this is rare. Okay, let's switch keys and fire it up. We started it up with the original key. Look at that. They even put a big chain on it so it wouldn't get lost. Check out these original velvet seats. Only 48,601 kilometers. This is just incredible. Man, this car is amazing. You can tell the owner truly loved it. Let me show you some details. See this? He wrapped the steering wheel in plastic to keep it from cracking in the sun. That's real dedication. You can just feel how much he cared about keeping this car perfect. Incredible. I promised I'd take good care of this car. That's it. This is the one. We loaded it up and took it home. In the end, I got it for just a few $1,000. Now it's coming with me, ready for a new chapter. All right, let's go, little Tianjin. Time to head home. As the sky started to fade into the night, it was freezing out there, probably around 0 degrees. But tomorrow we're gonna bring this beauty back to life. Man, today was just pure joy. That blue Tianjin truck, absolutely beautiful. But this is only the beginning of the story with me and my old teacher. Today ends here. Tomorrow, we get to work. This 98 Tianjin, all original paint, just over 40,000 kilometers. It's finally home. Let's see if we can get it running in one day. Let's go. Let's take a look at this engine. I just fixed another one a few days ago, so I'm feeling pretty confident. Even though it's covered in dust with only 40,000 kilometers, it can't have too many problems, right? We'll pop the cover, clear out all that old dirt. Wow, there's a ton of it. Must have taken years to build up like this. We'll get it all cleaned out, nice and fresh. Check out this huge underguard, all rusty and caked in dirt. Once we took it off, the first thing we did was pull out all the spark plugs. Man, lying under the car like that is tough work. These plugs probably never got changed before. They were so gunked up, we swapped them all out for new ones. It took a while, but finally got them done. Time to let my little helper take a break. Hey, stop fixing for a sec. It's almost Women's Day. I got a gift for your wife. New summer shoes, soft, comfy, non-slip, and they cost less than 10 bucks. I even grabbed a car air freshener. Super cheap and fun little gifts, perfect for surprising someone. Look, those shoes totally cheered up my little helper. He's full of energy again, ready to work. We tried turning the engine by hand, and look, it moves so easily, barely any effort. That's the beauty of a car with only 40,000 kilometers. Total lucky find. Then we cleaned up the battery terminals and swapped in a new ground cable. Almost ready, we're about to fire it up. Man, I'm so excited right now. Before starting it up, we checked the oil. All good. All right, time to fire it up. Look at that. It responded right away. You see it turning? Our motto, if it turns, it'll run. With only 40,000 kilometers, I'm super confident we'll get it running in no time. Once we swap in the new spark plugs, there shouldn't be any major issues. All right, let's start it up. Okay, didn't fire. Wait, no tricks, huh? Ah, I see. We forgot to plug in the ground wire. Haha, rookie mistake. Let's fix that and try again. Man, he cracks me up. Every month he messes up at least 10 times. That's just his style. All right, let's go again. And there it is. The engine sounds great. We're good to go. Next, we just need to get the fuel lines moving. Come on, without spark, how's it supposed to run? Man, sometimes my helper can be such a goof. But that's him. Anyway, engine solid. Once we fix up the fuel system and clean those lines, we're good. Let's go. Wait. What's going on here? Why is there fuel spraying out of the carburetor like that? Wow, so much fuel. This carb is basically toast. But hey, it still starts up. Pretty wild. All right, let's pull the carb off and take a closer look to see exactly what's wrong. Man, look at this carb. It's filthy. Since we've already got it off, let's give it a proper deep clean. Maybe all that gunk inside is what caused the fuel leaks. We'll take it apart completely, scrub it down, and get it working like new. All right, no more leaks. Perfect. The engine sounds great. This original 90s Tianjin truck with its original paint is finally all cleaned up. Now let's see if she can drive. And there it is. After all these years, she's finally moving again. Amazing. Man, this is amazing. With only 40,000 kilometers, it drives so smooth. The clutch and brakes still feel great. Next up, we'll clean up the exterior and interior, make it shine again. No surprises here, the T engine is back on the road, easy. From now on, we'll use this baby in our shoots. And don't worry, the story with me and my teacher, it's just getting started. That's it for today. We'll keep going tomorrow.